Welcome. In today's video, we will dive into the world of SimpliSafe base station alerts, which play a crucial role in your home security. The SimpliSafe base station generates various alerts to keep you informed about your home's security status. Let's take a closer look at these different types. First, let's understand the alarm alerts. There are three main types: intrusion alerts for unauthorized entry, fire alerts for smoke detection, and environmental alerts for dangers like flooding. Next, we have connectivity alerts. These notifications let you know if your system is connected properly, ensuring that your home is always monitored. Battery alerts are equally important. They notify you when your sensors or base station are running low on power, which is vital for maintaining system readiness. System status alerts inform you about the health and readiness of your security system. Understanding these alerts can prevent unexpected failures. SimpliSafe also allows for user-defined alerts. You can customize notifications for specific needs or scenarios, tailoring your security experience. If you encounter alerts that seem concerning, here are some troubleshooting tips and best practices to ensure your system runs smoothly. In conclusion, staying informed about your alerts is crucial for effective home security. Regularly check your system settings to ensure everything is functioning as it should. Don't forget to check your SimpliSafe system settings and alerts regularly. Your safety is just a notification away.